Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to start accepting PayPal payments in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log into your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to the online store that you want to add or start accepting PayPal payments on, click on Manage Store button. This way, you will automatically go to the store management area of your website instead of the website builder. Now, to add your or to start accepting PayPal payments, it's simple. Just go to Settings and go to Payments. Here, as you see, I already have a manual payment. Let's see how to delete it. I will remove this PayPal payment, this manual payment, and as you see here, this is what you will see in your case, or in cases if your store location or if your current location does not accept PayPal payments. As you see here, I am in Morocco, so here hosting a website builder only offer manual payments. So how to get other payment gateways? Simply switch your store location to the United States, for example. As you see, once you switch your company location to the United States, you start seeing Stripe, PayPal, the local Go, and also the manual payment. Now to add to start accepting PayPal payments, simply click on this connect button next to PayPal. Please wait while they perform a security check. Now fill in your PayPal address. You will be redirected to this PayPal login page. Fill in again your PayPal email address and password, and hit login. By the way, this PayPal account should be a business PayPal account and not a simple or not a personal one. It's how, if you don't know how to, you can simply turn. It is easy to turn a personal PayPal account to a business one. Just look how to do this on YouTube. It is very simple. Now click on login. Fill us in on the basics. We securely store the info you share. So fill in the information like your first name, last name, date of birth, nationality, phone number, and also the business address. Click on next. You're all set. You're linked to Hostinger International Limited and ready to take payments on your site. Now click on return to Hostinger. And as you see, setup not finished. If you see this red message, don't worry, just refresh this page. Setup not finished. Why it says setup not finished? You currently cannot receive payment due to on your PayPal account. Please reach out to PayPal customers or connect for more. Finish setup. Click on finish setup. I'm not sure. I think I have issues with my PayPal account. Yes, I remember. Lastly, PayPal asked me for my business, asked me to verify my PayPal business. This is why they show, or this is why it says setup not finished. So this is just, you will not see this setup not finished. This is limited to me. So now this is how to add, this is how to start accepting PayPal payments. Now let's see if even with this little message I can accept PayPal payments. Let's add this to the bag. Checkout. We can't accept online orders right now. Now and as you see, in my case, just in my case, PayPal is not fully connected, and this is unfortunately I can this is the end of this tutorial. But I'm sure if you follow this tutorial step by step, you can start accepting PayPal payments in your case if you have a PayPal business account. And this is how to start accepting PayPal payments in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.